This conference will now be recorded.
Hi guys, today we are going to discuss install sonarqube on ubuntu 18.04. Okay, this is how we are going to installation today. Sonarqube we are going to install on ubuntu. Let's see. And for this, if you are using for any aws instances, you should be take the medium instance if it is not work on the micro level. Okay, and then we need to take the medium, then go to large instances, and then I'm going to take Ubuntu now. This is Ubuntu machine I'm going to take. Okay, medium it should be take. Okay. Now by default micro, right? Micro it won't support. It will throw the error like as out of memory error. I already tried. If you want to try, you can try, and then you can come back to the medium. You should be take the 4 GB RAM and the 2 GB CPU. And once your work is done, then terminal. It is chargeable. Okay, this medium instance is the chargeable. It won't charge huge amount. Just let's charge it maybe the 50 rupees like that. Okay, and next storage, then take it is launch wizard and click launch it. Let me select. Okay, so just like launch instance, then next this instance, then take it as make it as a name like a sonar cube, make it sonar. It's fine. Right, once it is running, then make we are able to connect, then go to mobile system. I'm opening mobile system. Start local terminal. Let's go to the path of where I have my PM files in my system. Let it be run. Let's take a little bit time for medium instance. And let's connect it now. Once you're connected, just go through this documentation and step-by-step notes for. Okay. Now first, once you take right, just go to update your system. If you don't want to upgrade, just do the update only, and just update -y. Upgrade it will be take time. Okay. Now then next install that dependencies. Common dependencies, no, it's already all installed. Now just I'm going to install this guys. Remember this sonarqube latest version, you should have the java 11 should be installed, or else it won't be work your sonarqube. Okay, it should be the needed the java 11. Okay, now open jdk 11. I'm going to install now. Let's take time a little bit. Then after that, if you want 8 and 8, I tried 8, it won't, it's not working. That's why I go with the Java 11. Okay, that's why we written the both commands. Now, after that, we need to install that database. PostgreSQL is required. PostgreSQL only here I'm going to use. Then after that, I'm going to add the repository. I'm going to install. Then I'm going to get a new user for that. These steps I'm going to be follow one by one. Okay. Done. Check Java version. Java. Version. Now Java version 11 it will be there. Okay. Next. Go to install that PostgreSQL. Then I'm going to add this Postgre into my repo list. Yes, done. Then next add. This is a key we need to add. apt key. Yes, okay. Then next I'm going to install this Postgre, this database. Okay, external database for my this needed for sonarqube. Okay. That's fine. Success. You can start the database server using. That's fine. Now next, add one user. I'm going to create new user because of it's a more secure for creating another user to run our sonarqube. I'm adding the sonar, and then next I'm going to give the permission for the this path. Okay, and this is asking password. I'm going to creating a password for this sonar I'm given, and then yes. Okay, it's not matched. Sorry. Sonar. Yes. Enter. Yes. Okay, let it be. Now I created the one user. That's it. Let's will come back other these steps. Okay. Now let's go to this. Let's give the permission for here. That I'm going to give that. Okay, cannot access h1 for user. Hope it is sonar. Because of this no such file directory sonar, we'll create that. We'll come back later. Okay. Then just install. Then we're going to download the sonarqube. We'll come back this step. Okay. I'm going to download this first. Zip file. sonarqube zip file. 7.9.1 version I'm going to download. Okay. For this. Okay, it's done. It's downloaded. Then after downloaded, we need to unzip that. Unzip sonar 7.9.1. This is not there. Then what you should do? You need to install unzip. I'm going to install that. Take it. Note. I'm going to make it above one for someone will pay the person. This is okay. Then if it by default it won't come, you need to be installed. Okay. Then unzip now. Once unzip, then we need to change that postgre password now. I'm going to change it. Okay. Then it is asking that postgre password. Then I'm going to use for that. Then I'm going to use for some other password. Postgate sonar I'm doing. Yes, password updated successfully. Then next, I'm going to move with the Postgres user. I'm going to switching to the Postgres user from Ubuntu user to Postgres. Now, that what are the password we just entered for Postgres. Now enter the password and Postgres user I login. Now just create one user. Create users SQBE. I'm going to create one user. So now if you kind of copy paste issue. Yes, I create the user. Then use the PSQL means PostgreSQL command prompt to open. Yes, this is a Postgres command prompt. Then next, alter the user SQBE with the password of SQBE. I'm altering this one. Already take just a new one, right? That's I'm override that, altering that. Alter role, then create database SQBE. Owner is the one, that guy, and quite it. Hyphen slash means it will be the quite. It will come back to the slash q means it will come back to the Postgres to or normal user. Okay, Postgres. Now we need to give the exit from this user to Ubuntu user. It will come. That's done. Now next, go to this path opt sonar cd op sonar. Because of this sonar folder is not there, then cd go to opt, then mkdir, create one folder here. That's good. No, we don't have permission. Then do sudo to create. Yes, done. Next, cd sonar, done. Then next, we need to give that this folder permission for this user. Here you can add this is the one like as permission, like as we need to create the folder and mkdir sonar. It's good actually. Okay, now permission is. Then next, but it's good to download from there. Actually I forgot to download there. Okay, now wherever we downloaded, just go to that path. It's not required to go to ptl sonar only, that your wish. Wherever you are extracted, just go there and edit this stuff. Okay, now just I done this, and it's not recommended to go to there. Then go to this path, and there is no nothing is there in this file because of I should create earlier. Okay, that's fine, no problem. Go to here and then see we have a new file here, cd sonarqube here. Right now I'm going to open the file. This is the sudo nano sonarqube 7.9.1 and the sonar.properties file. Here I'm going to change something like as username, like as what are the database username, database password, whatever we created, right? That's I'm going to create now. Now just I'm going to change that jdbc username and password. In this property file there is a jdbc username. Here is sqbe we given, right? sqbe sqbe and comment this. Okay, then come little bit down and postgres 9.3 greater than, give the url of that localhost sqbe. For if it is based on the OS, if I use that based on the database, if I Oracle database, we need to open this. If it is using that Postgres, use this now. Okay, now this is for remove this stuff. It's not recommended. It's not required also. If it is fine also, it's not right. No problem. Sorry. SQB user is this. Okay. Then next localhost is fine. That's fine. Okay. Then next, I'm going to change that to our host is the 127 by default will come. Let me uncomment that host. Yes, that here. Sonar web host by default 00. It will allow all, but we should be to the 127 for all. Okay, 00. Okay, and then next we need to give that which is the user allowing this previous property but allows to the Sonar CE Java additional OPTS. Here it will come 1 second. Come a little bit down. Check exactly. We need to search also. Should you go directly? Just I'm looking for where exactly to come. This one. Here is the SE is that what server. And if you want, we can change that your RAM space, RAM and all this one. Okay, so now see Java OPTs like as 512 MB and 128 MB. Okay, for doing for dump out of memory error. Okay, you can increase this also. But I tried, it's not working that also. If you are using the medium like as micro instance, that's why I come up with this. Okay, and then next after this, the next run as user and then save the file. Control X, yes, enter, fine. Then next open the file sonar sh file. In the script there is a user, sonar user, run as user is what? Sonar user, right? We have the permission for sonar user. Now we don't have, we need to add that user permissions, sonar. Okay, then next okay, in the sonarqube we have elastic search also to indexing purpose our data. Okay, this elastic search what it will do, it will do the okay, it's get the data and it will indexing and processing it will do. Okay, and for past processing purpose. And then next we need to change the here also. Now go to here, control X, save this file. Yes, it's got saved. Okay, now go to this sonarqube and elasticsearch YAML file. Go to here, nano, 1 second, config slash elasticsearch.yaml file. Okay, in this file we need to modify the node name, that is whatever the host name we are giving, that it really should be take. Okay, now is that node name is what are the host name we are giving, right? That should take. Instead of this, what will we do? We are going to give this value will come dollar host name. For the host name it will print as a host name in our sonarqube servers. Then next we need to allow the network host is the for all anywhere. Okay, for all outside of network host, right? Then go to here, if you want you can change that cluster name also. By default network host, right? Network host, allow the all users to access. Now this is for floor IP 0.0.0. Okay, fine. Then next control X, save this elasticsearch file also. Done. Then next we need to you add our sonar user 2 in sudo's file. I'm going to open sudo's file and I need to add that our sonar user 2 here, anywhere that in this file wherever you want you can do. Just nexus is the sorry sonar is our user, then sonar our user, then do the sonar and no password, right? Fine. Now control X by enter. Okay, we created the sonar user, right? That's it. Okay, then next, now use this, even we didn't use this sonar user, this path also we didn't copy the code from there. Then next, not record this, and then go to the sonar, then it will be from again. What I will do, I will going to move this folder to there, this to is what opt sonar, use the sudo cd sonar fr escape. Now just give the permission for that, owner permission for this. Even there also I can give directly, but for as for documentation I follow that, you guys shouldn't be confused. Okay, you can give that directly permission for that user in the particular path also. Okay, and switch the sonar user that we already created password for this when you start the creating user that time. Okay, then enter the password, then next start the sonar service. Now simple, it's started. It's take little bit time to handle. For checking purpose, check this port is by default, which port is running sonarqube, which port guys, this is should become start with the 9000, right? 9000, and elasticsearch is the 9001. Okay, now it's not there, let's wait for some time. If it's not running, something issue is there and we need to check the issue, which is not going to be stopped. That where we need to go and where we need to check also, I've written that documentation and which log we need to refer. Okay, something went on. Okay, just what we should do, just go to this log, then 9000 is not listen the port sonar having the issue, then not started, then go to the log path and check the gs.log and file and sonar.log under the log folder. Like where is the log folder located? cd like as opt sonar, go to this path and see here cd sonarqube and logs folder. Left hand here you can see here, then go to cat sonar.log, open the log and it got stopped due to what? Boot startup check fail. And what happening? There is some issue. Optimal use cron sweeper was deprecated in the version 9.0 will be likely will remove the in future release. That's okay. And something other than this issue is creating temp directory. See, maximum virtual machine areas will be maximum web code should be the 65530 is too low. Increase up to 261222104. How we can increase? Even I will type face the same issue when I am doing that. That time what we should do? We should increase that. Even I have written that also all the issues I faced. All issues I faced here. Now just go to that, and then next sudo systemctl and wget. Then we need to increase the max mount, max mount, whatever it asks. Sudo sysctl and then -w and then this the vm max, like is the it's needed for the this much map count. Okay, then only it will be run. Then next start that again. Now start this. Now again start the sonarqube. Let's see. Okay, then next what we'll do, check the sonar log. Okay, let's check the ports are run listening. Yes, now it came into the picture, right? Now what we should do, now we need to be access this application, means how we can't access directly 9000. Now what we should do, we should be deploy in the any one of the reverse proxy. Now by default sonarqube listen the 9000 port, so you need to be listen the configure apache as the reverse proxy access the sonarqube port number. Okay, let's, if you want to access, you can access the 9000 if you feel like, because of, see, this is port is binding with the this host, right? Now for example, I can view this directly all zeros there. Let's, one second, let me start that way. I forgot to do that earlier. Oh my god, I thought one thing, just do that also. Let's file here, right? We should access directly. Cd bin directly. Let's file here. Where is it? Sorry. This is sonar, right? Vi sonar properties. Now here, if you want to allow the outside also, just here be given that, right, 127 here sonar web host, just give the 000. Let's try set no for all. After something modify, what you should do, you should be restart your service. Okay, you should be stop or else start or else you should be restart the service. No, restart the service. Yes, what you should do, or else what you should do, if you want to run in the 80 port, you should be integrate with this reverse proxy, like as load balancer we used right earlier, the same kind of. Okay, even it's running on the 9000 now. Okay, and this is also like elasticsearch is running on the 9001. Okay, now you should be make it outside of the access. What you should do, we should adding this into our mission. Now let's access now 9000, add this port in our security group. Let's see it works or not. It definitely won't work. Let's see, let's try. Even I never tried this one. It won't access, right? Now we should be make it like as that is also basically. It's fine. Now what I should do, let me change, let it be configuration as it is. After that I will change. Let's next time we'll try this again. Yes, problem is right. Okay, then next stop, set it again. Then next we need to configure the Apache Tomcat now. Now just install the Apache Tomcat. Let's not Apache Tomcat, sorry guys, sorry. Apache web server reverse proxy I'm going to use. Nginx we used, right? Now how we are going to use Apache, we'll see this now. Okay, the same like that, whatever we use the Nginx, right? Same kind of. Okay, now install the proxy. Now let's restart it. Let's mode proxy we enable. Then mode proxy where need to be HTTP. Okay, then next open this file, configuration file, sonar.config file. Something we did wrong. Why not? Sorry, Control X. No, this nano right? F we missed it. That's why. Right. Now just create this. Now virtual host is the 80. Then next we need to add these lines in this file. Now add this server name, whatever the server name we have, that name, and then this is a normal this your wish, that is admin password, your admin's URL. Then next use the reverse proxy, and then for whom I need to revert it back. Okay, 9000, and then transfer the logs from this path and error logs this path. Then we need to, if we are there, what we have to in the server inbound outbound we are going to do, right? Same. Okay, now here what we need to do, this is we need to give the our server URL. Instead of that we need to give the our server. Now let's take our server URL, take it this, copy, and then next, so here. Okay, then remove this HTTP, not required. Okay, fine. Now save this file now. Control X. Yes. Done. I saved my changes. Okay. Then next, this done, this done, this done. Configuration done. Configuration file done. Now sudo host file, we need to add this command, sonar user. So now to active new configuration, we need to run the system say reload ST2. Anyway, we are need to be reload or restart it. I'm going to restart it now. Yes, restart it. Then start the again sonar. Restart or again start. Okay. Then next, access that application with A0 port. A0 should be allowed, right? Go to your system with A0. This one, all right. Edit, launch wizard, edit. A0 should be allowed. Let's see. Inbound rule, edit, and then add rule. HTTP, yes. It will come anywhere by default. Yes, save it. Anywhere by default it will come. Okay. Now let's access this now. No need to give port number now because of we already given the reverse proxy, right? Service is unavailable, temporarily out of service. Our server is not enabled. That's something we did wrong. What is that? Means let's check the sonar logs now. Let's see what log we got. Cat dot log. Okay. Cat sonar dot log. Let's run the sonar dot log. We are adding the sonar.c additional option or invalid server. We are giving the option in the configuration file something we did wrong. Okay, conf file, then SML here. This is invalid argument we given this va sonar.property. Where something we did wrong. Right here sonar-ce, right? How we are going to do this now? Where we did wrong? Like we did with the iPhone sonar, I think so. Let's check this here. Now we take with the iPhone sonar. Okay. Now correct. Insert mode. Then iPhone sonar. Control escape shift colon WQ save this file and then just restart again. It's mandatory. Okay. Then next refresh now. Then restart the Apache Tomcat. This just now we reloaded, right? Apache also. Actually it's taking time, actually it works actually. Okay, now our sonarqube perfectly open now, this latest version, and then login. Yes, what is username password, guys? This is admin, right? Admin 23. What is username password for default sonar username? Anyone remember? Hmm? What is the default username? Good copy. Yeah. Okay, now just go to browser, admin, just do this, login as admin now. Now we can create projects, we can mount mail. Lengthy procedure but mandatory. Clear? Clear, guys? We have successfully installed the sonarqube on ubuntu 18.04. Any questions, any concern? And what you guys will do, just one step, and that's something I did wrong, right? Actually I changed, but I forgot to save the file. That's the problem. This sonar I changed, right? Yes, I will save this now. And then next we need to, if you want, we can create the directly folder now here. It won't be there, right? No. Before going to do this, let me change here to Haribari. Fast వస్తుంటాను మర్చిపోయిందా. ఓకే, ఇది ఉండదు కాబట్టి మనం ఏం చేయాలి, ముందు స్విచ్ అయిపోయి సిడి ఓపిటి వెళ్ళిపోయి తర్వాత sudo fkdir. సో ఇచ్చేస్తే done. Okay, now that's done. Now directly will there only it will go, no need to use move command, nothing blah 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 blah. It works everything. చాలా ఉన్నాయి కదా దాంట్లో అయితే మనకు అంత పని అవసరం ఉండదు బేసిక్గా. ఇంతవరకు కొంచెం టఫ్. రిమైనింగ్ కాన్ఫిగరేషన్ ఫైల్ ఆల్ ఆర్ సేమ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ స్టెప్స్ ఓన్లీ లిటిల్ బిట్ టఫ్. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ గైస్? ఏముంది క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉండడానికి అంటావా? జస్ట్ కాపీ పేస్ట్. అండ్ నేను ఏమేమి ఇష్యూస్ ఫేస్ చేశానో మొత్తం ఇష్యూస్ అన్ని ఇక్కడ రాశాను, దాని సొల్యూషన్స్ కూడా రాశాను. ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ అదే మనం నార్మల్ తీసుకోకపోతే ఇలాంటి ఇది ఒక ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది నాకు. అండ్ దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ login as a admin user using admin. Okay, the next ఇక్కడ ఇది ఒక ఇష్యూ, దాని సొల్యూషన్ ఇది. అండ్ ఇంకొక ఇష్యూ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ ఇలా ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది, అప్పుడు నేనేం చేశాను, దాన్ని రిమూవ్ చేశాను. అది నా అది కూడా 500 కాల్ ఇష్యూ. ఇంకొక ఇష్యూ ఏంటంటే సంథింగ్ ఇష్యూ నో పబ్లిక్ ఈ సంథింగ్ ఇలా ఇష్యూ వచ్చింది. ద ఫాలోయింగ్ సిగ్నేచర్ ఫోన్ అన్ని మొత్తం లాగ్లోనే చెక్ చేశాను. అప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేశాను, ఈ కీ ఇట్లా యాడ్ చేశాను. ఇలా ఒక్కొక్కటి ఒక్కోసారి వచ్చాయన్నమాట. Charging it 1 second guys. నేను ఈరోజు ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ షేర్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనా? చదవండి, రేపు డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. రేపు ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసి, అండ్ ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యాడ్ ఎనీ వన్ ఇష్యూ హ్యావింగ్ ఇష్యూ అండ్ విల్ సీ టుమారో మేబీ ఐ విల్ స్పెండ్ ఫర్ 1 more hour. If you had any one issue with any configuration, any installation issue, any practical issue, if you want I will show that this example also, like what this mission test. Then we'll tomorrow completely on interview questions and the remaining stuff, like as if you had any issue I will spend, if you want, 11:30 also. Okay, for practical, complete practical. Okay, and then I'm going to give that interview questions. I will show simply. Vijay, ready na? No. ఓపెన్ చేసి పెట్టుకున్నావా?
లేదు, మన ఆఫీస్ లో ఉన్నా. ఆఫీస్ లో లేదు కాన్ఫిగరేషన్.
అవునా, సరే ఆ ఎర్ర ఏంటో పంపించవచ్చు. ఓకేనా?
సరే సరే,
అందుకే నేను అడిగింది కదా స్టార్టింగ్ లో, అంటే నీకోసం అనేసి నేను అనుకున్నా.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఓకే ఫైన్. ఇక్కడ డాక్టర్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇంకా 2-3 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. నేను రీసెంట్ గా నిన్న ఫేస్ చేసింది, అవి కూడా యాడ్ చేస్తా. ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాయి అనుకుంటా. ఇదేనే క్వశ్చన్, టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్స్. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ నెట్వర్క్స్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తావు అంటే, ఓవర్లే బై డిఫాల్ట్ గా ఓవర్లే ఉంటది కదా డ్రైవర్, అది దానికి బ్రిడ్జ్ అనేది కూడా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. అది మనం స్విచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఏది కోసం అది స్విచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. బ్రిడ్జ్ నెట్వర్క్ అనేది ఈవెన్ మన కస్టమ్ అది ఒక్కటి మిస్ చేసాను గైస్. యాక్చువల్గా నెట్వర్కింగ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అంటే అండ్ ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ కమాండ్ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ కమాండ్ అండ్ డాకర్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ లో యాక్చువల్లీ నేను ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ చేయలేదు రియల్ టైంలో. ఎలా అంటే మాకు మొత్తం అంతా యాక్చువల్గా ఏంటంటే నెట్వర్క్ ఎప్పుడు వేస్తామంటే ఇప్పుడు 2 కంటైనర్స్ ఒకటి నెట్వర్క్ మీద వర్క్ కావాలన్నా లేదా నీ కస్టమ్ నెట్వర్క్ మీద వర్క్ కావాలంటే అప్పుడు మనం యూజ్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. కానీ నేను ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ చేయలేదు వేస్తున్నా. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ చూస్తాను. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ చూసిన తర్వాత నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఒక చోటు ఉంది యాక్చువల్గా నేను ఇన్వాల్వ్ కాలేదు, బేసిక్గా తెలుసుకొని చెప్తాను. ఓకేనా? I will see and I will let you know that Docker networking on one concept and Docker Swarm also. Okay, we'll see that also. Okay, if time permits, I will teach that also. Okay, definitely. Without anything, I will show everything. Okay. I రెండు మిస్ ఉన్నాయి డాకర్ లో పెండింగ్ ఉండేది అంటే ఆ రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్లు మెయిన్ లైక్ డాకర్ నెట్వర్కింగ్ అంటే అంత లేదు. ఈవెన్ ఫార్వర్డింగ్ చెప్పాము. డాకర్ ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ అంటే కంటైనర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, కంటైనర్ డాకర్ ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ కంటైనర్ ఇచ్చామంటే మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే దాని మొత్తం ఆ సర్వర్ యొక్క హోస్ట్ మీద ఉన్న మొత్తం నీ వాల్యూమ్స్ ఏం చేశారు, ఆ కంటైనర్ యొక్క ఐపీ ఏంటి, వాటి యొక్క యూజర్ ఎవరు, నెట్వర్కింగ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాడు, కంటెంట్ ఏమేమి స్టోర్ అయింది, ఎంత డేటా ఉంది, మొత్తం కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ విల్ గివ్ దట్ అని ఆ డాకర్ హోస్ట్ మీద ఉన్న ఆ కంటెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ మొత్తం వచ్చింది. అది డాకర్ ఇన్స్పెక్ట్ మీద అంటే ఇంకా లేకపోతే ఇంకా డాకర్ క్రియేట్ నెట్వర్క్ అనేసి ఆ నెట్వర్క్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చేసి మనం కొత్తగా ఏదైనా కంటెంట్ రన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఆ నెట్వర్క్ మీద రన్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. డాకర్ రన్ కమాండ్ లోనే ఎఫ్ఎన్ఎఫ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఇచ్చేసి ఆ నెట్వర్క్ నేమ్ ఇచ్చామంటే ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఆ కంటెంట్ ఆ నెట్వర్క్ లో రన్ అవుతుంది. అలా ఉంటుంది. నేను చూశాను కానీ వర్క్ చేయలేదు యాక్చువల్గా. ఓకేనా? we'll see that also. Okay. Any questions, guys?
అది గారు ఇప్పుడు స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఏమైనా కవర్ అవుతుందా మన సిలబస్ లో, లైక్ పైథాన్ కానీ షెల్ కానీ?
ఏంటండి?
అదే స్క్రిప్టింగ్ ఏమైనా ఉందా మన సిలబస్ లో? ఇట్లా షెల్ కానీ పైథాన్ కానీ